acorns. How are you today? We are in my backyard. I am going to try to fill my bird feeder, and I wanted you to come along. There it is. I think we need to go get it. And then take it back to the table. Ooh, did you see that bird fly away? And there went a squirrel. Oh my God, you should see him. He's over there on my fence. Oh, now he ran. Here, let's grab this. And we will fill it. Look how much food they ate. It was full. There must have been hungry critters. All right. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, probably not. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, here we go. All right, I have the bird feeder. Look how much they've eaten. Wow. So we're going to fill it up. I'll try not to spill it all over my patio. Whoa. There it goes. I think I need to buy more bird seed. All right. Now, we're going to hang it back up, and then I want you to make a prediction. I want you to count how many days you think it's going to take for those birds to eat all the bird seed that we just put in here, and see how many days it's going to take for them to empty it. Do you think it's going to be 1 day? What's that? How many is that? 3 days, maybe. Or, let's go crazy, 6 days. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. Let's go hang it back up. All right, acorns, I hope you get outside this weekend. Be sure to have physical distancing. Listen to your parents. But burn some of that energy outside. I think Saturday's supposed to be a good day. Although I think today, Friday, it's going to rain. But maybe you can get outside in the afternoon. Maybe it'll just be morning showers. All right, be safe, and we'll see you soon.